My God. These kids are crazy. I did not, I forgot to save my first video. Oh my gosh. Buy myself salad. Fruits. Vegetables. Love it. Where is cheese curls? Cheese curls. I'm gonna get dressing. For my arigo. In pieces. I like to try this one. It is really good. Okay. That's it. What the? Oh yeah, of course. Of course I have to have one. Definitely. Okay. So where's the cheese curds then? Ay, shucks. Nak? Oh, Irish? Irish, saan kayo? Irish? Are they? Irish? Which juice should I get? This one. Ouch. And this one. Alright. I'm done. I'm done with my and where's the cheese sauce? Oh, now I saw it now. It's right here. Oh, I see. Cheese curls. Cheese curls. Okay, not there. You know what? I'm gonna keep buying here again. What? What is this? Not cheese curls, discrimination. Gosh. It's kids' favorite. How come they don't have that here? It's my favorite. Oh my G. Oh my G. Okay, cheesy flavor. Sure thing. Cheesy flavor. And that's it. That's all it. I'm gonna go straight to my, where are they? Seriously. Am I missing here or they are missing? I hear their voice. Oh my God. Rish? Rish, Kate? Oh my goodness. Is this for real? Where are... Kate! Kate, I'm here. Irish. Hey, hey, hey. I'm on vacation. My God. Where have you been?
We're going looking for you. Ew, look that. Na, na, na. Oh.
Yan na lang, na.
Wow.
Yan na lang, na, hindi na to.
Can I go?
dito. Alam mo ba?
O, tanggalin mo na to.
Na, 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 na. Oh, this one.
Yeah, that's yours.
Yay! Bag, bag. Bag, bag.
Pero sa bahay, pwede na inom ito sa bahay.
Tata, look at this kissing that.
Look, don't kiss. That's dirty. Oh, let's go to the counter. Let's proceed to the counter. Where do I begin?
Kit Kat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to play it now. I can't look.
Lish? Oh, shut up. Hey, hey, hey. Stay here. Stay beside me. Hey, ay, sino ba sabi sa inyo kumakain TikToks? Ha? Spicy candy yan.
But my tai eat that.
I miss my,
My tai eat that.
my first,
Lala.
my first interview.
Lala.
My first video. I lost it because of these kids.
Lala. Lala.
Wait lang, kuya, ha?
Lala.
Yes!
Never tai eat that.
That's spicy.
But my baby eat that.
Where's that Irish? Can you? No, not that one.
Ay, wait.
Sina, mauna ka na.
Let's go play it.
Hey! Ito, Haraganis.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Calm down, please. Don't be Haraganis. Naki sa bahay yun sa inyo.
Ayan nga.
Oh my gosh. Si Lucas teaching me. Kaya nga. What the? My gosh. Go down rain again. Shucks. Shucks. Boom. Shucks.
No, not gonna get this.
May plastic kayo. So we need to i-box mo.
M&M's. Hello.
Iuwi ko muna to.
Can I open it
Oh
already?
yes, go ahead.
Lala, can I open it
Yes,
already?
yes, go ahead, Mama.
Can I open it? I can.
No, you ask your mama first.
Why? Only can do it that. Can I open that? You open it like that.
It's a Lego.
Can I put the sticker?
It's a Lego.
Ipapunch niyo muna yan.
Kaya nga, papunch muna. Itong mga bata to, stupid. Ouch. Oh God.
Huwag kayong magulo. Naguguluhan ako. Tabi. Tumabi kayo sa isang tabi. Ayoko nang usapin ako. Don't talk to me while I'm doing something.
Yeah. There's my mom. Hey guys, meet my mom, Irish.
Lucas.
Lucas, lumayas-layas ka muna, please. Sakit ng back.
Can I open it already?
No, ipapunch mo muna.
It's already.
Ayos na punch na to. Bubuksan daw, magkakawala. No, sa house na lang, sa house.
Design nyo yan.
Ayan. Sa house yan. Pa-punch. Abnormal ko mga to. Basta-basta lang.
Ilapas mo na lahat.
Excuse me kasi tingnan